Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to educational channel PK with some words which are spoken wrong by many of us. So let's have a look on these words and their correct pronunciation. So the first word is this. The words are written on the left side and the pronunciation are written on the right side. CYCLE. If you look at the pronunciation, it is SAI, means cycle. Fine, but when by is attached with it, it will become bicycle. Not bicycle. Same is the case with tricycle. So I have a black cycle, but my friend has a brown bicycle. Okay, next word is interest. So some of us pronounce it as interest or interested or interesting. It is not a tress, it is trust. Interest, interested, interesting. So a sound will be there. This is called a sound. Interest, ust, not est. Okay, now come towards the next word. It's a very common word, but many of us pronounce it as exam or exam. What is the correct pronunciation? The correct one is exam. Look at this letter. It is indicating that we have to pronounce it as a sound. Apple. Fine. So it is exam, not exam. So if you say that in Hindi or in Urdu it is called exam, you are wrong, because in Hindi or Urdu it is called imtihan, not exam. So there is no word like exam. Exam is there, examined and examination, not examination. So one more thing over here is there to be noticed, that is this thing. Look at these two letters. Two vowel sounds are there. Fine, it is called diphthong. We have to pronounce the both of the sounds. Nation. Normally we pronounce it as nation. It is not nation. It is nei, nei, e. A very light sound of e will come. Examination. Fine, it is not examination. It's called examination. Before moving further, like and share this video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, next word is this. A very common word once again, and the mistake we do in the last part of this word. It is called increase. S sound is there, not Z sound is there. It's not increase. It's increase, increased, and then increasing. Fine. So d sound will not come over here in d, increased. It will become increased, increasing, not increasing. Okay. Next word is autonomy. Many of us pronounce it as autonomy. It is not autonomy. It is o-ton-o-me. Four syllables are there. Four syllables mean four vowel sounds are there. O-ton-o-me. Four vowel sounds are there. We have to pronounce it as autonomy or autonomous, not autonomous. Autonomous. In British, it will be pronounced as autonomous. Initially, we have to make our mouth round. O sound will come. A little bit round we have to make our mouth autonomous. But in American it is A sound, autonomous. Autonomous or autonomous, both are right. Okay, next word is question. If you look at these two words, it is ch sound. Ch. I don't know why some people call it question. Sh sound is not there. Ch sound is there. Question, questioned, questioned. It is not questioned. So it's questioned. Now come towards the next word. It is suggest. So j, d and z sound. These two letters pronounce the j sound. Suggest. Fine. Now if you look at this word suggestion, it is suggestion, not suggestion. So These two letters pronounce the sound of J. Suggest. Fine. And then if you look at these two words, it is ch sound, which we have discussed in question. Fine. The same sound was there in question as well, and over here in suggestion. So it is not suggestion. Again, sh sound is not there in suggestion. It's neither in question nor in suggestion. So we have to pronounce it as suggestion, suggestion, suggested. Now the last today's last word is this word. It's mean a type of dictionary. Thesaurus. Thesaurus. It is a type of dictionary in which you find the similar words. So it is called thesaurus. Thesaurus. So I hope you enjoyed today's words. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment below. And if you want to know some the pronunciations of other words, you may comment in the comment section. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.